Step 1. Cut the zip tie off, clean the basket from the pump. Remove the basket. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Never use a power drill to remove or replace the screws. Tilting the pump forward, you should be able to have all the screws fall out. If not, her needle nose will grab them and pull them out easily. So that's, after the pump's been in use for a while. Okay. Step 3. Grabbing the dump spout, turning it counterclockwise. You can remove the intake like so. You might have a little trouble after it's been in use for a while, in which case you can carefully stick an object, a hammer handle, something like that, to free it up a little bit. And then removing the impeller. Again, you might have trouble with this. It might be a little snug in there, but working with it, you can free it up. And that's how you get the impeller out. Okay, so cleaning and care of the impeller and the motor. A high pressure washer, take it down to the car wash if you want, but don't use any soap, just high pressure washer. If you've got a nozzle on the end of your hose, it's fine. You can't really hurt the motor or the impeller. The impeller has all these holes that go through the impeller, and the motor, it's a submersible motor, but you don't want to put any like soap products in it. Just get it real clean and then free of debris. You can take a super fine type of sandpaper, clean the motor off, and clean the impeller off and put it back in there. And that's going to be the next step is putting this back together. There's a small hole and a big hole, small or large pin, small pin. Placing them, make sure they're lined up. Place O-ring on like so, and then you can place a small amount of lubricant, WD-40 or whatever, but just a small amount to make sure that the assembly goes smooth. Put it back on at like 10 o'clock, facing 10 o'clock. And then turn it clockwise until it locks in place. I'm taking the 4 screws, and they should just drop in the hole, in their holes if it's clean, free of debris. And then when you tighten it back up, tighten them up to where they're just snug. They don't have to be real tight. Because if you over tighten them, it pushes the housing against the impeller, and it won't work right. You're going to cause problems on the pump, stress on the pump, the impeller. I like to, with it unplugged, just stick my finger in there and twist it. Put the basket back on, and then to make sure the basket stays on when it's in use, get some like 14-inch zip ties. Stick them through this way. Connect the zip tie. Go around the dump spout. And cut the excess off. That's how you change your impeller.